Another video coming soon. In the process right now. Start of a day. About 50 degrees. Raining pretty hard, windy, but I mean, we're going to fight through it. Prevail. That's what it's all about. Just want to say thanks to everybody watching, man. We appreciate the subscribers, the views. You know, we put a lot of work into this, and we really want to take it off. So for y'all to be a part of it, man, it's huge for us, and we appreciate y'all. Anybody locally, if y'all leave some comments below, maybe we can get together, do some fishing, give us some spots to come to. Totally respectful of anywhere we go, catch and release, you know what I'm saying? We'll leave it better than we came, and we'd really greatly appreciate it, for real. You know, seriously, on a serious note, this is big for us. This is something we've always wanted to do as a whole. So to be able to come together and make it happen is awesome, and we just really appreciate everybody out there watching and supporting. More videos coming soon.
Shout out to Under Armour. I believe if I jumped out of a plane right now, it would just fill up with air and I just glide down.
Turn around and like pose, like do like a quick pose.
Oh my God, that's the game for sure.
Is that you have to do a slight alteration to the typical.
It's been a while since I tied a double union knot, so you know I got to refresh them around up here.
So we're gonna test it out. We're gonna tie the standard double union knot, and you'll see why I said it. And at the end.
All right, so today mainly bait-wise, colder weather, lethargic fish. I'm gonna be focusing mainly on soft plastics. Texas rig, bullet weights. I haven't got my bread up to get any true tungstens, or what are they called, the EKGs or some shit like that, or something like that. But you know, right now, not too big of a deal. My Texas rig is kind of a smaller hook, but I like using the 2-aught Kamagatsu. And as far as baits, like I said, soft plastics, Texas rig. I'm gonna be focused mainly on the D-bomb missile bait, love bug color, darker color, slower presentation for the fish. Kind of what they go after. I've learned in this colder weather, and then probably tie on the Texas rig Cinco, really. Like I said, darker color, black and blue. Works every time, mostly. If I get feeling a little hairy, I might throw one of these big soft plastics, zoom, ribbon-tail worm, but man, it's kind of a big bait for this, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it's a little harder for the fish to go after. I don't know, they might. And I got a jig, maybe a Ned rig. Never really had much luck on them, but I've seen a lot of people produce. But mainly I'm a soft plastic guy. Always my go-to in any situation, warm, cold, it's universal. Always works.
Circle.
How do you feel right now, Jacob?
Hang on, quick
A little bit larger, so we have room to do this and actually see it happen on film. So now, again, we're going to go from the top down and through,
okay.
And we're going to do that
6 times.
6 times. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5.
Such a steady hand.
With my heavier stuff, like my pitching and flipping stuff I'm going into heavy cover. I don't need the invisibility of a fluorocarbon leader, so I'm going to use straight grain.
What's your game plan right now, Hunter? Oh, shoot.
Started off strong. Like Houston and Kansas City last week, man. They came out swinging and shut out. Didn't make any sense.
Game plan right now, Jacob.
Stay warm, man. Stay warm. Catch some fish. Stay warm.
The audio's probably going to be terrible in this video. Hunter's third one. Come on. 1.6.
Nothing to brag about, but
But what are we doing right now?
I'm gonna walk over to this lake, walk through some people's yards, do some trespassing bass.
all right. So right now we are moving to a different spot. Out here where we fish at a lot, man. We got a bigger lake and a couple smaller ponds. Nice fish too, it looks good. He's skiing them, man. Enjoy that. Nice. Beautiful fish too. Come on, Jake.
Little kiss right here.
Some of what's on the bottom.
This is the Super Bug by Missile Baits. It's a D-bomb. It's personally my favorite. Soft plastic. This and the black and blue missile bait. The VMC 2.
Dang, another one.
My line, bro. Oh,
Number
yeah,
2.
Caught it. No wonder I thought
Or number 3 for Jacob. And we got a situation over here too. That's on his line. Nice. Number 3. That's a good one. Beautiful.
1-8. There you go, baby. Definitely got quantity today.
I got quality.
But overall weight, I've got him.
Hunter's got 5. Jacobs has 3.
You wouldn't even qualify with that weight, Jacob.
He has no comeback. IHOP bound?
I hop bound. I'm gonna get it. No way. Oh, he got one.
Oh yeah.
On the
Nice. We'll weigh it.
to end the day.
Cast.
Last one's the day. Hunter's is a little bigger, but hey,
Who's counting?
that's perfect. That caught that in perfect timing. That's dead. Good way to end the day.
Success.
I'm not done, man. Do another cast.
All right, one more.
Oh yeah.
That your ass and your legs just get chafed.
So we decided not to go to IHOP because of him. Go ahead.
We're going to a pretty similar place last time. I remember the words being average at best.
Let me get a GoPro.
Go on. Supreme Washington. Dude, it smells so nice one.
Back into afterwards.
When to restock, recharge report though. Well, basically, Cabela's thought they were going to sign me up for a little old scammer-rooski. Little did they know, I'm king of scams. Thought they'd get me on for a credit card. Guess what? You're not going to approve me for one of those.
Talk to me. What's going on?
Pretty successful day. About to unwind.
End of the day.
Fish, ate some food. Restocked and recharged. See you next time we hit the water.